So when a customer comes into Domino, they get to experience our customer demonstration room. So they'll see our full range of products, our continuous inkjet printers, our thermal inkjet printers, our print and apply labelers, our lasers. We are able to do print samples for them within the customer experience room to give them a better understanding of the technology they're interested in. They're also able to have a factory tour around Domino to see the printers being manufactured.
When customers visit Domino, the feedback that we get is that they are extremely impressed with the quality controls that we have in the production process, along with the employee engagement that we've got there to drive best practice improvement. I think generally our customers are really surprised in a good way at what level of maturity that we're at.
Some of the feedback that we've had from our customers is that they're surprised at how large our headquarters are, and also the additional facilities that we've got on site, our award-winning factory, our R&D facilities, and also the access that they've got to industry experts, and also the fact that we'd not only be able to help them with the packaging requirements that they've got for today, but also those of the future.